Hey there, tech enthusiasts! I've got some exciting news for you. Introducing N-SPORT173, the latest and greatest watch face for your WearOS device. This stunning digital face is designed to enhance your experience and keep you on top of your game. Now, here's the best part. Buy one, get one. That's right, when you purchase N-SPORT173, you'll receive a second watch face for free. How awesome is that? But wait, there's more. You can also enjoy this amazing deal on our website, N-SPORT173.com. Just follow the instructions carefully before installing, and you'll be good to go. And remember, your feedback is important to us. So, if you have any suggestions or comments, feel free to share them with us in the Play Store. We're always looking for ways to improve your experience. Lastly, N-SPORT173 is compatible with a wide range of devices, including the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, 4, 5, 6, 7, and WearOS devices. So, what are you waiting for? Get your hands on this fantastic watch face today and take your style game to the next level. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy.